This is our Mexican chicken tortilla casserole. It's made with leftover tortilla chips, corn, roasted chicken, shredded cheese, even refried beans. You're gonna love this stuff. Let me show you how to make it. First, we're gonna start off with our tortilla chips. You want just enough tortilla chips to line the bottom of the pan. This is going to be for 2 people. Press these boogers up. Take your frustrations out. Get a good base on the bottom of the pan. Don't worry about these getting soggy because that's the whole point. What we're going to do next is we're going to add our wet ingredients. We're going to start off with 1/2 cup of half and half, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. You want the cornstarch in there to bind the casserole dish. We're going to go 1 tablespoon of Rotel, good stuff, or any other kind. Going to put in 1 cup of frozen or canned or fresh corn, 1/2 tablespoon of chicken base, 1/4 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and we're going to put in some refried beans. These are black refried beans. You can use any kind you'd like to. Let's give this a good stir. You want to stir this up where it comes together. And you want to work this casserole in layers. First we're going to do is we're going to start layering on the tortillas. Get a good solid base on there. Then we're going to come in with some shredded chicken. This is roasted chicken we already had. We bought it at Sam's. And believe it or not, this is 1 chicken quarter, 1 leg, 1 thigh. Very good, very filling, very good deal. Now we're going to come in with some shredded cheese. Some Mexican style shredded cheese. We bought it at Sam's. Then we're going to come back in with our topping again for a second later. A little of that on there. You want it to be good, even. Get your spatula. You don't want to miss any of this. Clean pan. Come back on with a little more chicken. And then we're going to finish this off with a little more cheese and another tortilla base. Tortilla base goes on first. A little bit. Let's come back in with our cheese. Good topping. We're going to put this into a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, check it. Make sure it's set. Make sure it's solid. Everything in here is already cooked, so all you want to do is melt everything together. This is a very easy entree. You'll like this. Something you can make over and over again. I'll see you in half an hour. Here's our casserole out of the oven. You can tell it looks good. It's crispy. Tortillas, chips have gotten crisp on top. We cooked this thing at 350 for 20 minutes. The last 10 minutes, we took the lid off and we let everything brown. So, first 20 minutes, lid on. Last 10 minutes, lid off. Let's decorate this thing a little bit. This is Mexican crema. Very good stuff. It's a alternate to sour cream. It's got a great flavor. Go throw on some chopped fine green onions. Green onions give it a good flavor. And last but not least, we're going to throw in a few red peppers just for garnish. These aren't hot, these are red bell peppers. And there you have it. Come back in with some pepper, some chili powder, good Mexican spices, very good flavor. Oh, that was everything spice. Now here's the cumin. Cumin's a very strong flavor, so you want to use fairly sparingly, but it does give a good flavor in your Mexican foods. And that's it. Let's give this thing a cut and see how it is. This is going to be for 2 people. Good cut, good crust. See how it comes out. There you go. And there we go. If you'd like to add a little more crema, which I think I will, feel free. And there is our chicken tortilla Mexican casserole. I'll come back and try a bite, let you know how it is. That was pretty easy. This thing came together very, very fast. It was very quick. And we basically used up leftovers we had on hand. We had leftover tortilla chips. We had leftover roasted chicken from Sam's. This all went in the casserole. Let's give it a bite, see how it is. It looks and smells great. That was really good. The garlic in there, the refried beans, refried black beans, roast chicken, they all came together in a perfect harmony. You can try this. You'll like this. And if you do try it, let me know how yours turns out. If you want to see other videos like this, different techniques, different cuisines, different foods, like the channel, subscribe, give me your opinion how we're doing. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.